This repair video for the P0011 error code is specifically tailored for Audi drivers. If your Audi is showing a P0011 code, this is for you. It indicates that the engine control module, ECM, has detected that the intake camshaft timing for bank 1 is more advanced than the ECM's commanded position. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty VVT solenoid. Worn timing chain or belt. Low or contaminated engine oil. Clogged oil passages. Camshaft position sensor malfunction. Oil leaks in the VVT system. Damaged or worn camshaft phasers. Here are two simple practical methods to fix the problem. Method A, oil change. Locate the oil drain plug on your vehicle and place an oil collection pan underneath it. Loosen the nut. Drain the engine oil. When the flow of the oil gets slower, use the oil filter wrench to loosen the oil filter. Apply some seal on the new oil filter. Now tighten the filter on its place. Then retighten the nut. To fill the vehicle with fresh oil, you should first locate your oil fill cap at the top of the engine. Clean the cap before removing it. Take the cap off and place the funnel into the opening. Add the amount of oil specified for your vehicle, and then replace the cap. After the oil change, start the engine and let it run for a minute to bring your oil pressure up, and recheck your oil level. To check oil levels, pull the dipstick out and clean it off. Replace the dipstick and pull it out again. The oil should be near the top dot or fill line. If it is close to the lower dot, you'll need to add more oil. Place the used oil from your collection pane into an airtight container with a screw-on cap. Make sure the oil is cool before transferring to the container. Used motor oil can be recycled at most auto stores or at recycling centers. Method B, the camshaft oil control valve. The camshaft oil control valves are typically found in vehicles equipped with variable valve timing systems. To begin, carefully remove the camshaft oil control valve from the engine. Next, clean the valve thoroughly using a specialized valve cleaner. After cleaning, use a multimeter to test the camshaft oil control valve. At an ambient temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit, the expected resistance should range between 6.9 ohms and 7.9 ohms. If no reading is detected, this indicates that the camshaft oil control valve is defective and needs to be replaced. So here are two most of the practical methods to fix P0011 error code. This engine code comes in various vehicles, mostly comes in Toyota, Nissan, Honda, Kia, and Audi vehicles. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.